Hello everyone, I'm academician Dr. Lilia. Welcome to Science and Me YouTube channel. The mission of my channel is to introduce you to popular science and to create a popular science encyclopedia on YouTube. We are back with an interesting popular science video. I would be very happy if you support me by subscribing to my channel and writing a comment. If you are ready, let's start the video. Robotics is an interdisciplinary field of science and engineering that focuses on the design, construction, operation, and use of robots. Robots are autonomous or semi-autonomous machines that can perform tasks or interact with their environments with some degree of independence. Robots are typically made up of four main components. Mechanical components. These components give the robot its physical structure and allow it to move. Sensors. Sensors allow the robot to perceive its environment and interact with it. Actuators. Actuators convert electrical energy into mechanical energy, allowing the robot to move and perform tasks. Controllers. Controllers are the brains of the robot. They take input from the sensors, interpret it, and send signals to the actuators to control the robot's movements. Robotics has a wide range of applications, including manufacturing. Robots are used in many manufacturing processes, such as welding, painting, and assembly. Logistics. Robots are used in warehouses and distribution centers to pick and pack orders and to transport materials. Healthcare. Robots are used in surgery, rehabilitation, and patient care. Agriculture. Robots are used to harvest crops, plant seeds, and milk cows. Space exploration. Robots are used to explore planets and other celestial bodies. Disaster response. Robots are used to search for survivors in collapsed buildings and to deliver aid to disaster areas. Robotics is a rapidly growing field, and new applications are being developed all the time. As robots become more sophisticated and affordable, they are likely to play an even greater role in our lives in the future. Here are some of the latest trends in robotics. Artificial intelligence. AI. AI is being used to develop robots that can learn and adapt to their environment. This is leading to the development of more intelligent and autonomous robots. Collaborative robots. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are designed to work safely alongside humans. This is opening up new possibilities for robots to be used in a wider range of tasks. Soft robotics. Soft robots are made from flexible materials, which gives them more dexterity and allows them to interact with the world in new ways. This is making soft robots ideal for tasks such as surgery and rehabilitation. Swarm robotics. Swarm robotics is a field of robotics that studies the behavior of groups of robots. Swarm robots can work together to perform complex tasks that would be difficult or impossible for individual robots to accomplish. Robotics is a fascinating and rapidly developing field with the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives. I am excited to see what the future holds for robotics. Robots can be classified into a variety of types, depending on their design, capabilities, and applications. Some common types of robots include industrial robotics. These are the most common types of robots and are used in manufacturing and automation processes. They are typically found in factories, performing tasks such as welding, painting, and assembly. Medical robotics. Robotics is used in surgery and healthcare for procedures such as minimally invasive surgery, rehabilitation, and telemedicine. Healthcare. Robots are used in healthcare to perform tasks such as surgery, rehabilitation, and drug delivery. This can help to improve patient outcomes and reduce costs. Agricultural robotics. Robots are employed in agriculture for tasks like planting, harvesting, and monitoring crops. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars and drones are examples of autonomous robots used in transportation and delivery. Service robots. Robots used for tasks like cleaning, e.g., Roomba vacuum cleaners, security, e.g., surveillance drones, and hospitality, e.g., Pepper, a humanoid robot designed to interact with people. Aerospace robotics. Robots used in the aerospace industry for tasks like spacecraft assembly, maintenance, and exploration, e.g., Mars rovers. Logistics. Robots are used in logistics to automate tasks such as picking and packing orders, and transporting goods. This can help to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Underwater robotics. Submersible robots used for exploring the ocean depths, conducting research, and performing tasks in underwater environments. Military robotics. Used for various military applications, including bomb disposal, surveillance, and combat. Research and development. Robots are used in research labs to test various theories and technologies, including artificial intelligence and machine learning. Agriculture. Robots are used in agriculture to perform tasks such as planting and harvesting crops, and milking cows. This can help to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Educational robotics. Robots like Lego Mindstorms and educational kits are used to teach robotics and programming to students. Customer service. Robots are used in customer service to answer questions, provide directions, and take orders. This can help to improve the customer experience and reduce costs. The field of robotics combines elements of mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, and artificial robotics continues to evolve rapidly, with ongoing research and development in areas like human-robot interaction, swarm robotics, and ethical considerations related to the use of robots in various industries. Robotics is a powerful technology with the potential to revolutionize many industries and improve our lives in many ways. The future of robotics is very bright. As robots become more intelligent and autonomous, they will be able to perform a wider range of tasks and have a greater impact on our lives. Robotics is helping to make the world a better place, and it is an exciting time to be involved in this field. Dear friend, I hope you benefited from the video. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoy content like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to stay updated with new videos. Also, if you liked it, be sure to leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Looking forward to seeing you again with new videos. I can't wait to bring you more knowledge from the enchanting world of science.